Hello guys, my name is Mahendra Kumar Presi from Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies, Panangan, Kochi, from Uttar Pradesh. Discuss I am today discuss to releasing post graduation admission and PhD admission. Dr. Jay Lalita, Fisheries University, Nagapattinam, Tamil Nadu University. So admission application opening 28/10 to 21 and last date submission to application and 28 November to 2021 and hall ticket available to entrance examination 30/11/21 entrance examination MFSC MTech and PhD courses 9/12/2021 is a entrance exam date and discuss to fisheries seat any departments aquaculture FRM fisheries engineering technology and campus available in this university. So aquaculture Thutukundi campus MFSC 6 seat available in this campus. Aquatic animal health Thutukundi is 3 seat. Aquatic environment 3 seat. Fisheries economics 3 seat. Fisheries engineering and technology 3 seat. Fisheries extension 3 seat. Fish processing 2 seat. Fishery resource management 2 seats. Fish quality assurance management 5 seats. And Ponari campus aquaculture department 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 seat and aquatic environment management 2 seat, health management 2 seat and fishery economics 2 seat, engineering 2 seat, economics extension 2 seat, fish processing technology 1 seat and fishery resource management 2 seat is different to Thutukundi and Ponari campus. Aquatic animal health 2 and aquatic environment 2, fish processing 2, fishery resource management 2 and in this seat IFPGS campus Vanakariwadi and Nagapattinam, so not available fishery seat but MFSC fish nutrition and feed technology 2 seat, fish genetics and breeding 2 seat, fish pharmacology and toxicology 4 seat available in this campus. Particular marks entrance examination 100, OGPA BFSC to 90 and academic marks your award 5, work experience is 5 available in this eligibility in this course. 10 departments is a faculty of fisheries science and a faculty of basic science. 10 departments aquaculture, aquatic animal health, aquatic environment management, fisheries economics, fisheries engineering and technology, fisheries extension, fish processing technology, fish resource management FRM, fish quality assurance, fish nutrition and feed technology is available seat in this campus. Entrance examination 40 marks, OGPA in MFSC 40 marks and publication 10 marks, work experience 5 marks, academic medal 5 marks, admission is more than PhD student.